Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Ito na ang biyahe ng buhay ni Rosel. Magandang gabi po, DJ Lala. Itago nyo na lang po ko sa pangalang Lynn. Wala na nasabi ko yung Rosel. Kasi naman, bakit naman kasi... Ay. Okay na. Isang single mom sa isa kong anak na babae. Gusto ko sana humingi ng advice, DJ Lala. Meron po akong depression and anxiety. Simula po nang nanganak ako sa anak ko noong 2018 dahil po sa ex ko na tatay ng anak ko. Bakit po ganon, DJ Lala? Ang unfair ng buhay. Bakit kung sino pa yung tumalikod sa responsibilidad, siya pa ngayon ang masaya ang buhay? Lagi ko siyang tinitignan sa FB account niya, hindi po dahil namimiss ko siya. Gusto ko lang po sana malaman kung nakarma na ba siya sa ginawa niya sa amin ng anak niya. Meron na po siya ngayong buong pamilya at masaya sila. Samantalang ang anak ko nagkakaisip na kaya hinahanap na po siya. Kaya po ba hindi ako masaya sa buhay ko ngayon dahil hinihintay kong makarma siya para masatisfy ako? Pa-help po, DJ Lala, hindi ko na po alam ang gagawin ko. Salamat, God bless and more power sa programa mo. My love, if you feel that way towards your ex, no one can ever blame you. No one can tell you na ayan ang sama kasi ng hinahangad mo, yan ang sama kasi ng gusto mong mangyari, yan kasi ang sama ng ugali mo. My love, no one will ever have the right to tell that to you, to say that to you. Kasi they don't feel what you feel. Hindi nila pinagdadaanan yung pinagdadaanan mo. They cannot ever imagine how you must feel like not knowing how to continue raising your kid alone. Hindi nila pinagdaanan yung you thinking na paano to? Ako lang mag-isa. Sa dami ng pangangailangan ng anak ko, sa mga oras na napapagod ka, sa mga oras na napupuyat ka, sa mga oras na magkakasakit siya, sa mga oras na humihingi siya ng mga bagay na hindi mo alam kung kaya mo bang i-afford, kung kaya mo bang ibigay because ikaw lang mag-isa. The hunting truth of what lies ahead and you must face it on your own is not something that you should apologize for. So kung nararamdaman mo yan sa ex mo, no one can ever tell you na mali ang ginagawa mo. Mali yung nararamdaman mo. Kasi hindi. That's natural, my love. Ipokrito ang magsasabi na hindi sila hihiling ng karma sa mga taong nakagawa ng hindi maganda sa kanila. At hindi ka ipokrita. Totoo ka lang na tao. So natural lang yung nararamdaman mo. But it doesn't have anything to do with that. Yung nararamdaman mong trauma from the past, yung nararamdaman mong pain because of everything that's happening to you, yung nararamdaman mong emptiness because your kid is starting to ask you things na you don't know how to answer, has nothing to do with you trying to browse sa internet, looking at your ex and yung family niya. Wala yung kinalaman dun. It's just the normal pain you are feeling. Kasi nanay ka eh. Hindi ka na lang nakakaramdam for yourself. Hindi ka nakakaramdam ng emptiness dahil iniwan ka. Hindi ka nakakaramdam ng emptiness because happy na siya at naka-move on na siya from you. You are feeling for your kid. You are feeling for your child. You are a mother. Without a doubt. Without a question. So yung nararamdaman mo, it's not just for you. It's for your kid. But mind you, my love, Rosel, if you are listening to me right now, yung pagpapakita mo sa kanya na naaawa ka sa kanya will make her feel that way. Kasi, yes, I do get it. She'll start asking questions. Pero she's asking question because she is curious. Out of curiosity. Not because feeling niya incomplete siya. Because you completed her world. Yung araw-araw na ibinibigay mo halos yung mundo sa kanya. Yung araw-araw mong pagsusumika para maibigay lahat ng best sa mundong ibabaw para sa kanya. Completed her enough. She's not asking you because she feel half empty. She's asking you because she sees in you na parang may kulang. When in truth, my love, sa modern day, the two of you can complete the world, can complete each other. I'm not saying that you don't need anyone to be with you. All I'm saying is, as of the moment, itong current situation na to, hindi to broken. Hindi to sira. Hindi to kulang. Kompleto to. You have an able mother, a loving mother, and a wonderful child. Right in front of you is everything you'll ever need, my love. So kung nakakaramdam ka ng depression, ng anxiety, sabi ko nga sa'yo, you are not feeling that because you feel empty, but because you feel for your child. Na kinokorek ko ngayon by saying, your child will only feel that if you look at her like that. Seeing you happy, doing things with you, eating ice cream on a Sunday evening with you, going to the movies, yung pinapanood nyo yung mga inaabangan niyang palabas sa sinihan. Mga Disney princesses, Disney stories, kung yan ay lalaki, mga Marvel, mga superheroes. Kompleto na siya dun eh. Yung makita niya yung mga pininsan niya, yung makapaglaro siya sa labas, yung makapaglaro siya ng game sa cellphone mo, that child is not thinking about anything but the joy of that moment. And sometimes, kailangan nating kumurot sa ganong ugali ng bata. Na carefree sila. Hindi sila careless, my love. That's different. Carefree sila. They live in the moment. They savor every amount of joy that's in front of them. And whenever you look at your child, I want you to see that. Just that. How happy your child is. Hindi siya kulang. Because you think kulang siya dahil wala siyang tatay. Nagiging kulang siya kasi ganun mo siya tinitignan. Pero if you look at that child closely, that child is happy with you. That child doesn't feel incomplete being with you. If not, that child is overjoyed to be loved by you. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? You are stronger than you think you are. And even if masaya siya sa bago niyang pamilya, happy family sila, marami silang pictures or marami silang vacations na naglalamyerda sila. At some point, that man, whenever he goes to sleep, at the back of his head, hanging yung portion na I left someone behind. Not you, but his child. Lagi yung hanging over his head. Pati yung truth, yung katotohanan na meron siyang anak sa labas will always be hanging in his head. Kasi hindi niya alam if one day kakailanganin niya ba yung sabihin sa mga anak niya. Kung hindi pa alam ng asawa niya na nag-e-exist yung batang yan, that will also be hanging in his head. Matatakot siya every single day na itong happy family na meron siya will one day be broken by the reality, by the truth na may iniwan siyang asawa at anak behind. But you'll carry on in life with nothing but fulfillment. Fulfillment ba? Kasi every single time that child will achieve anything in his or her life, ang sasabihin niya, thank you, Ma. Everything that I am, everything na ma-achieve ko in my life from this moment forward is because of you. yung pagsusumikap mo, yung pagmamahal mo, yung aruga mo, yung pag-aalaga mo sa akin, yung hindi mo pagsuko sa akin, is the reason why I am the person I am today. And that's something that I want you to look forward to. Kasi that is coming. Kasi that is how strong of a person you are. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? So stop looking at the negativity or the negative side of your situation right now. Look ahead, my love. Look forward. Ika nga ni Catriona Gray, merong silver lining. Yan yung silver lining. That child will forever be grateful na ikaw ang nanay niya. More than grateful, he is proud or she is gonna be proud. Kasi even when lumaki siya ng kulang ng isang magulang, never, not even one day, ipinaramdam mo siya sa kanya na kulang siya sa pagmamahal. Pinunan mo yung kinakatakutan mong kulang sa kanya. Every single time you do things for that child, you complete that child. Klaro? Klaro. Be proud of yourself, my love. Sa lahat ng mga single mom out there, single parents out there, be proud of yourself. Raising a child is one heck of a job. And you are doing marvelous. You are doing great. So never ever feel like you are less of a person or never ever feel like nagkukulang ka pa. Kasi you and everything that you do is more than enough para sa batang yun. You gave that child more than a life. You gave them the world with everything you've got. And that's something that you should be proud of. Klaro? Klaro. Sa mga